hardest part about getting a new CMMS isn't buying the system, it's getting technicians to actually use it. That's why so many companies ask us about MaintainX. Does its mobile app really make things easier in the field, or does it just slow everyone down? Today I'm showing you exactly who MaintainX is best for, its pros and cons, real costs, and mobile features. That way, you'll know if it will actually help your team and your bottom line. MaintainX is considered a quote mobile-first CMMS, meaning it's built so your techs can do everything right from their phone. No laptop required. That includes creating work orders, logging meter readings, and scanning assets on the go. And this has really caught on. Over 12,000 companies use it, making it one of the most popular systems on the market. It's great for small to mid-sized companies in industries like manufacturing and facilities management. So if you're still tracking maintenance on paper or just want something more modern, MaintainX is worth a look. So what does it actually do well? First, the mobile app is technician friendly. Second, it has strong asset management. And third, it's scalable. I'll start with the mobile app, which is genuinely easy to use. Your techs will have no problem creating and completing work orders. It walks you through step by step the whole way, so you'll add all the details you need. So even if your team isn't tech savvy, they'll still get value out of it. And here's something I see all the time. Companies assume every CMMS mobile app works just like the desktop version. But some, like Fix, have different interfaces when you switch devices. It almost feels like a totally different software. Luckily, MaintainX doesn't have that problem. The mobile and web versions look nearly identical, so switching from a laptop to your phone feels seamless. But if you want to know if MaintainX is right for your team, you want to compare it to other systems first. And that's exactly what we do here at Software Connect. We'll get you demos and price quotes from vendors that fit your exact needs for free, saving you hours of research. Visit softwareconnect.com to book an appointment. The link is in the description. Another feature I like is its asset management. You can build detailed reports with things like maintenance history, warranty info, and manuals. But say you need to track something specific, like voltage for electrical equipment. It includes custom data fields for whatever your business requires. And when your techs are in the field, they can just scan the QR code and all the info pops up. I also appreciate how scalable it is. Whether you're just starting to track maintenance or need multi-site support, it can fit your needs. You can start on the free plan, and as you grow your business and need more functions, you can easily upgrade without any downtime. It's a great option for growing businesses since you won't have to worry about switching platforms every year. So there's no question that MaintainX has a lot of upsides. That said, there are some issues that you might want to know about before you buy. First, the cheaper packages are pretty restrictive. Second, support options are a bit limited. And third, it lacks some advanced features. While MaintainX uses tiered pricing like most CMMS tools, the jump from the Essentials to Premium plan is a little much. The Essential plan limits you to basic work orders and just 3 procedures a month. That's tough if you rely on a lot of PM checklists. It also leaves out key features like parts inventory, API access, and meter-based maintenance. Things that a lot of people consider must-haves. So just be sure you know what you need from the system before you buy. Another potential downside is that if you're on the basic or essentials tier, you don't get phone support. You have to use the self-service help center or the in-app chat, which, to its credit, is available 24/7. I've also heard a lot of businesses tell me that their support is very helpful. But still, this can be a deal breaker for some if you want to speak with an actual person, not through a chat box or an email back and forth. MaintainX also lacks some more advanced features compared to other CMMSs out there. Things like floor mapping and predictive maintenance aren't available on any plan. But really, those are only deal breakers for large, complex manufacturers. If you're in the small to mid-size range, this shouldn't be a problem. Now I'll quickly show you how to complete a work order in the MaintainX mobile app. So when I open the app, all my tasks are right there for me to review. It shows me that this one is a high priority and that it's overdue. I can also click into the work order section at the bottom and see them all as a list. So I'll select this one and press the start timer to make it in progress. This one has a procedure that's attached to it, so I'll complete that. This one's a checklist, but you can add other formats like multiple choice. Once I complete the procedure, the work order is closed and it auto-populates in the Done section. You can add a lot more if you need to, like parts or vendors for more details. But overall, it's super easy to use and has a really clean interface. With all that in mind, let's talk pricing. It shares all its packages on its website, which I always appreciate. You can use the free and basic plans if you're just starting out, and they can be a cost-effective option if you only need simple work orders. I recommend the premium option at $75 per user per month. It has everything a small to mid-sized business needs to manage its maintenance effectively. Note that user refers to people actually using the systems, like you and your techs. Request-only access is free for anyone. And compared to similar products like Upkeep, it's pretty close. I'd probably say it's cheaper based on the quotes you'll get for the custom packages. But overall, I really like MaintainX. I think it has one of the best mobile apps in the market, making it highly adoptable for your technicians. However, they tend to limit their more affordable plans and lack some more advanced features. Still, it's one of the most user-friendly systems out there, making it a great option for any business needing to track maintenance. Be sure to check out our full CMMS Roundup page to compare this system with other top options like ClickMaint and eMaint. So here's my question for you. Have you used the CMMS before, and are you looking to switch? What kind of maintenance are you dealing with? Drop a comment and we'll give you a couple of recommendations based on your situation. And if you like this, be sure to watch our best CMMS video too.